Hello, I'm Denny from Springfield Leather Company. I'm going to show you how to set some spots. These are some new copper spots we just got in, and people have been inquiring as to how to set them. I'm just going to take a pair of wing dividers and measure between these two prongs. If you can see here, these prongs act just like a brad. You know, they'll bend very, very easy. But you measure the distance between them, and I'm just gonna eyeball it about in the center of this bracelet blank. Make myself a couple of marks. Then I'm gonna take just a hole punch, a small hole punch a hole in it. You can use anything to punch a hole with. Basically, you just don't want the hole too big or it will show after you've set this thing. But then you take the spot and put the prongs through those two holes, lay it upside down. I'm using a piece of poundo board here. You don't want it on anything too hard or you'll scratch the spot possibly. But I'm just gonna take a screwdriver and bend these brads over like this. Set them down nice and deep. And there you've got one spot set. That's about all there is to it. Thank you guys.